We are thrilled about this channel, and since we don't get to be on YouTube's Rewind yet, we figured we'd do one of our own. If you're new here, my name is Kaya and I'm the CEO of Slidebean. We have an AI-powered presentation platform with over 10,000 paid customers worldwide. So this Rewind won't just be random intercut videos. We want to add some value. And we are big believers in transparency. We've opened our 2015 financials for your review, told you how much these videos cost to make, and overall are pretty happy to discuss where we are as a company, without getting into the specifics that our competitors could leverage. But YouTube is a not-so-secret weapon for us. If you, stalker, really wanted to know, you could probably figure out how many views we get and how much money this channel generates. It's about $1,000 a month in ads, and around $25,000 a month in business. But we'll get to that. YouTube has become a fantastic channel to engage with our customers. We've developed this amazing, truly engaged audience. It's motivated me to start my personal channel to talk about non-Slidebean stuff. And most importantly, we get tons and tons of feedback on how our videos are useful for your entrepreneurial journey. So let's dive right in. These are the actual metrics for our YouTube channel. First, subscribers. We always want more of those. I mean you. And we want that YouTube plaque on our wall. We've added over 30,000 subscribers this year and went from adding around 10 per day in January to around 100 per day in December. We started this year with less than 5,000 subscribers. Our most successful video subscriber-wise was the Startup Forensics WeWork, which gave us around 300 subscribers per day the week it was launched. Around 25% of our views come from existing subscribers, while a nice 75% comes from new people that discover our brand. 13% of you have enabled that bell to get notified when we release a new video, and we just came up with a new reason for you to do so. Starting January, I'm going to be doing a live Q&A session 1 hour after each video goes live. We're going to host that on our new Discord channel, so go to slidebean.com/live to join. Next up, views. So our channel accumulated 1.9 million views this year. 45% of those views came via ads, mostly promoting our launch video for the new Slidebean AI system. Still, that leaves us with over 1 million organic views, and that's a 10x increase over 2018. In the early days of our channel, our focus was optimizing for YouTube SEO, so search engine optimization. We targeted high-volume keywords that didn't have a lot of quality content to answer them. And that worked pretty well. The best examples are our pitch deck video and our seed funding video, which added over 500,000 of those views this year. Still, we eventually discovered how it's YouTube's almighty algorithm that really makes or breaks a channel. As we close the year, 42% of our views come from YouTube promoting our content, while only 13% of our total views come from search. This algorithm takes into account how long you watch, whether you comment, like, or share videos, and how likely the video is to be clicked when shown on the suggested video section. And we seem to be doing pretty well in all of those, thanks to you. Revenue. So we started this channel to promote our own company and our super easy to use presentation platform and our pitch deck writing service. And it works great, but we'll get to that. Let's talk about YouTube ad revenue first. For the longest time, we refused to let other people's ads run on top of our videos, which are also promoting our company. Then we woke up with dollar signs in our eyes one morning and decided to enable pre-roll and thumbnail ads. And we've never looked back. It turned out that the CPM for our channel is very high, based on the standards that I've found. Our average CPM is $15.63. That means advertisers are willing to pay $15.63 for every 1,000 impressions on our videos. I understand that the average CPM on YouTube is on the $2 to $4 range. Still, ours seems to be higher because of the audience watching our videos. You are a valuable competitive audience. 50% of you guys are in the US, followed by India, the UK, and Canada. 80% male, mostly millennials, so I guess like me. Anyway, we made over $4,000 in ad revenue from the channel, but most of it came in the last few weeks. November alone was over $1,000. This has been the proof that our YouTube MVP worked, and now we're doubling down on it. We're going to start 2020 with 3 weekly videos. So we are keeping our Startups 101 series, of course. We're keeping our new Startup Forensics series, and then we're adding in the Slidebean Office. This is a mini sitcom that we produced a while back as a Facebook video series, but Facebook people didn't really like it. And we figured that you might. And once again, after each video, we'll have a live Q&A session. Revenue part 2. Last but not least, Slidebean revenue. So as I said, this channel was originally built to get our brand name out there. And we weren't sure if this was going to be just a brand awareness thing or if it would actually translate to revenue. It turns out that this channel brings around $25,000 in revenue to our company every month. That's a combination of customer subscriptions and pitch deck writing projects. We know because we ask all our customers where they heard about us, and we get YouTube as an answer more and more. This is now our third largest source of business, only beat by Google SEO and friend recommendations, which I guess are also kind of influenced by YouTube. As always, you can get 1 free month on Slidebean by going to slidebean.com/YouTube and creating your account. And that is all I'm allowed to say. The team. Last but not least, I wanted to do a shout out to our production team. It's not just me behind these videos. Paula, who stands behind the camera and edits every single video. Then Elena, who took the less cool animations that I used to do for the first few videos and then evolved them into what they are today. It takes her a full week of work to do the post-production and the animations behind this video, using mostly Final Cut Pro and After Effects. And then Gustavo, who leads the marketing team and pushes me to ensure that I deliver my scripts on time, and then everybody else so that we don't miss our release deadlines. So we are expanding the team in 2020 and hope that we just won't be able to fit in here next year.